reportedly will launch its latest products on March 23, 2021. The company from the United States reportedly has leaked some information regarding their latest products. Apple reportedly will introduce several new products including AirPods 3, iPad Pro, and AirTags. A source from China said that Apple will hold a launching event on March 23rd at Apple's special event. However, there is no official information from Apple regarding the event. Some of the products expected to be released at the event are AirTags, new iPads, and new AirPods. Apple is also expected to release the latest iOS, iPadOS, tvOS, watchOS, and macOS updates, which are currently in beta version. Apple's latest generations of earbuds will reportedly be similar to the AirPods Pro and comes with spatial audio support as well as touch control feature. According to Mac Rumors, this special event is rumored to be held online as the COVID-19 pandemic is still not over yet. Apple is also rumored to launch an AirTags tracking accessory in 2020, but there is no further details about this rumor. Last fall, Apple launched a new Mac product powered by the self-designed M1 chip, the iPhone 12 variant, the Apple Watch 6, and several new iPad models. Several Apple events are mostly held several times in a year. Last year, Apple held 3 launches in 3 months. iPad and Apple Watch launched in September, iPhone 12 in October, and Apple Silicon Mac in November, according to 9to5Mac.